Hey guys, welcome to Wrench to Drive. This is a quick WPL C24 update, mostly about these bumpers here that I've been making. This is the latest and greatest. It's a stinger bumper to improve the approach angle. And I thought, like me, many of you guys might question the durability of these 3D printed bumpers. Well, there's a little bit of footage coming up here that'll show you that the bumpers are not the problem, guys. They're pretty durable. Turns out that the gearbox on this thing is definitely weaker than the bumpers, than the 3D printed bumpers. So, yeah, spoiler alert. So anyways, I just thought I'd let you know that, yeah, my testing paid off and kind of showed that, that the bumpers are good. Actually, the bumpers and the roll cage. Just in case you're wondering, I'll try and do this with there we go. Gearbox dead. Yeah, one too many hits up against the wall, guys. So there you have it. The bumpers are not your weakest link on these trucks. And that was the stock gearbox, guys. My 2-speed gearbox is the motor's dead. So yeah, this thing's officially out of action, guys. I'll have to open it up, but that sure sounded like it took a tooth or two off the off one of the gears. Probably the spur would be my guess, but we'll see. Anyways, on to the crash testing video. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, if you're thinking about 3D printing some of these parts, I would say go for it. They are fairly durable. Drive to wrench or wrench to drive.